In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Maven compiler plugin. Now, we can actually run plugins directly inside of IntelliJ. If we come up here, we can go compile our compiler, and we can see that it actually has 3 goals. I think I mentioned 2 in the slides, but we also have a compiler help. So if I just double click on that inside of IntelliJ, it'll actually run the help goal. And we can see that it's just it says compile application sources. Not a lot here as far as how to run it. So we can do detail true or a goal to display a parameter. So nothing too interesting there as far as options for it. Now, the one thing that we can do is change the language levels. Yeah, if we remember here, let me just run compile again and resize this a little bit. We can see that clean runs, deletes it, and regenerates the target. Now, if I come in here to hello world class, that's a generated class, we can see here that we've decompiled it inside of IntelliJ, and it is saying that it's Java 11. So let's go ahead and close that. Now, if I come up here and change this to 1.6, like so, and now if I run compile again, actually, I'm going to try something here. So if I just run compile, so it did change that. Okay. I was hoping to trip something where it would not regenerate this, but we can see that it did generate Java 6. So now that this bytecode is now, we decompiled it in IntelliJ saying that is now Java 6, which is exactly what we wanted through the compiler settings. And I was wanted to see if the change would be detected or not. In this case, it was detected. And notice that I did this and Maven did pick up the change and compile it, but look, there's no output there from the clean plugin. That is because I came in here to compile. I ran the goal of the plugin directly. Now, if I come up here and run the build phase, let's run that real quick. You can see that the build phase does run. And in this case, we can see that the clean plugin ran. So even though we're running things that are virtually named the same, it's very easy to get these confused. In the first case where it did not run, I ran this one, and this is from the plugin, and I'm running the plugin goal. So I'm saying, hey, go run this plugin goal. Here, I am running the compile phase from the default lifecycle. And that's the case when that happens. It is picking up this execution logic and then says, hey, we're running this entire build. Let's go in and run this goal of the plugin as well because we have that configured. Now, obviously, I don't want to keep that. So I'm going to revert that. So for this module, there's no source code changes. This is more a demonstration. So now if I come in and run compile again, I'm going to close that and just reopen it. We can see now that we are back to Java 11.